I'm very happy to introduce Mr. Waleed Shaikh. He has secured all rank 7 in GATE 2025 in the Production Industrial Engineering paper. Mr. Waleed, hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Waleed, he has availed from ACE Academy the online test series for his GATE 2025 preparation. Earlier, he took classroom coaching also from ACE Academy at Hyderabad Center. Mr. Waleed, can you please add some more about your educational background?
Sure, sir. So, hello, my name is Waleed Shaikh. I am from Udupi district of Karnataka. I have done my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Sri Madhavadiraja Institute of Technology and Management in the year 2018. In the final year of my engineering, I appeared for GATE, and this time I scored All India rank 7 in PI paper. And currently, I am pursuing my master's in material science from IIT Bombay.
Waleed, one interesting point. You are already in IIT Bombay campus, right? Doing a master's there.
Right.
Why did you take this GATE this year again? Any specific reason for that?
A particular reason is like to get into PSUs
Right.
because I found
Mm.
the government job, the culture there to be very good, and it really serves the purpose of the education, engineering education I have gained. It does justice to all the engineering education I have gained. So yeah,
So
that was the reason.
you are more passionate, right, about this PSU job.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I think definitely with your early rank 7, you are likely to get. Waleed, what is your score for How many marks you got for this early rank 7? And what is the score also?
I got 76 marks out of 100, and score is around 880, I guess.
Right. Waleed, you please tell us how this ES Academy, the online test series for GATE preparation, and also the earlier classroom coaching that you took from Hyderabad Center from AS Academy helped you in your success briefly.
Right. So back in 2018, when I appeared GATE for the first time, the preparation was not up to the mark. After that, I decided to join ACE Engineering Academy. So I availed this ACE Engineering Academy classroom coaching. So it was very helpful. All the concepts which were needed to crack GATE were clearly told in those classes. And this time in 2025, I took a ACE Engineering Academy online test series, so which was also really helpful because from the past years, what mistake I was doing was I was not uh, taking the test series very seriously. So I was not rectifying my mistakes. What were the mistakes I was doing? So ACE Engineering Academy test series really helped me a lot like. To perform the how to perform in those 3 hours. So like it was like taught by the test series, like how I took it, the focus which is needed to crack gate uh, is like it came from those test series. So it was really helpful.
Okay. Walid, one more thing. See, while you take this test series, see in our, for example, if you see our AS test series, there are so many tests are there. We have some
Right,
subject-wise tests are there, and then you have combination of subjects, and also we have the full-length mock exams also. So
right.
how do you need to schedule these exams?
So first I started with the subject wise test, all the topic wise tests. Then I moved to subject wise test. Then I moved to multi subject test. Finally, like after completing all this uh, mini tests, I went to the full length test series. So that was my approach.
Yeah. So to take this full-length mock test series, full-length mock test, especially, you should have a thorough completion of the entire syllabus, right? So
Right.
in your case, in which month did you take this full-length mock test?
So in November, I guess. So at the end of November, I started this full length test series. So
So suppose you do some mistakes in the mock test, suppose you got some low marks in the mock exams, etc. In
right.
such case, how you used to rectify, how you used to improvise?
So this is the key point here. After taking the test series, one should do the clear analysis of your test series. So uh, after giving full length test series, I sat down to do the analysis of test series. Like I rectified what were the mistakes, what were the silly mistakes I did, and also one main thing about test series is you get to learn new concepts. So like you might have learned all the concepts. You might think that you might have learned all the concepts, but test series teaches you some new concepts which might be helpful in gate. So that is one key takeaway from gate. And yeah, so like rectifying your mistakes and noting down those mistakes, noting down the concepts which you learn from test is the key here.
Right. Very good. Nicely said, Mr. Walid. I think these points will be highly useful for the GATE aspirants.
Right.
Walid, in your PI paper, what are the subjects that fetched you more marks?
Okay. So uh, you might be knowing that PI paper has majority of the syllabus of GATE mechanical. So, but of course, there are some extra topics which are apart from mechanical engineering. For those, I referred the previous year PI papers and I noted on what are those topics. And also, I went through the syllabus of GATE PI and I noted down like what are the extra topics I have to learn. So, I learned from the previous year question papers and also learned from the topics like uh, from material like from Google or something. Like I learned what are those topics and I practiced the PI questions, and that helped me a lot.
Walid, if you don't mind, can you tell, have you taken the GATE paper in mechanical also this year?
Yes, I
Uh,
think.
if you don't mind, can you reveal your rank in the mechanical
Yeah,
paper?
sure, sir. I got all India rank 408 this time for
418,
mechanical.
right.
408, 408.
408. So in mechanical this year 408. In the PA you got honor rank 7.
Yes.
Walid, you are the right person to tell what difference did you notice between the mechanical and the PA paper? How you were able to score rank 7 in the PA paper, not such a what you call attractive rank in the mechanical?
Right. So I feel that in PI paper, the students appear for the PI paper is very less compared to mechanical engineering paper. So that's what like crossing 70 plus and 75 plus in PI paper will also fetch you a rank under 50 or under 40, I guess. But in mechanical engineering paper, this time the paper was pretty easy, and even a slight mistake or 1 mark less will uh, cause you a great jump in a rank. So that was one of the reasons to getting around for under 500. Because if you compare from last year, like I got 77.33 marks in mechanical. So if I had got that in last year, my rank would have been under 100, something like that. So, but this time the paper was easy, and many of the students scored like same marks, I guess. So like 77.66, like many students scored that marks. So because of that, I think the rank was bit high in mechanical. So that's
Okay, you said that in PA you got 76 marks. How much?
76 marks. Yeah,
76 marks. And
yeah,
mechanical, how many marks?
77.33
70. So number of marks are more in the mechanical paper.
mechanical.
What
Yeah.
about the scores in between the two papers?
In mechanical, I got 781,
Right,
and PI, I think around 880 something I got. I'm not exactly sure.
right. Anyway, while applying for this PSUs, kindly check that criteria because some PSUs take marks as a criteria for shortlisting the candidates, and some PSUs take the score as a criteria for shortlisting the candidates. So while applying the PSUs, you please take these points. So that
Sure.
because you have two ranks in the gate, right, PA and mechanical, whichever suits in the best way that you can utilize there, right?
Right.
Walid, see, you passed out BTech, I mean, relatively long back,
Long back. Yeah.
and this year you got the seventh rank in the PA paper, right? So
Right.
how you used to revise, how you used to be in grip of this subject? Unless you revise, it's difficult to remember this content, isn't it? So how
Right,
you
sir.
used to
So,
approach there?
right, sir. So, like, I was applying for GATE consecutively from 2018 up to 2021. I was applying consecutive, like 18, 19, 20, 21. I appeared for GATE mechanical. and I was revising at first. My concepts were strong, but the mistake I did was I did not take test series, or if I had taken test series, I did not take it very seriously. That was my mistake. Uh, and I rectified that in this year, 2025. I told like this time you cannot do this mistake. So you have to, along with revising the concept, you have to take test series and you have to give the test series very seriously. So like in 2025, I started revising all the notes first, whatever I had made, the notes I had made from Ace Engineering Academy and also from the YouTube channels. I totally revised this completely, and after revising, once I thought that okay, my concepts are clear and revision is done, so I moved to test series, and Ace test series was very helpful, and I gave it sincerely, and that I think led me to this rank.
Good, very good, Mr. Waleed. Nicely said those points. Waleed, from this successful journey, can you give some tips and suggestions to the aspirants of the GATE examination, particularly in our P and mechanical papers?
Right. So to crack gate, I feel that there are two things which you have to do. Like provided you are free from all the distractions and you are disciplined and you are sincere. This I'm taking that you are already in this zone. Like after that, there are two things. One is the conceptual clarity, and other is taking the test series. So first you have to build on your concepts. So for that you can join coaching to make your concepts solid and clear. After once your concepts are very solid, you have to go for a test series. That is, you have to practice as much as possible, because like just by knowing the concepts you cannot crack it, because it's a 3 hour frame, I mean 3 hour window exam. So in that you should know how to perform in those 3 hours. So there should be a plan, there should be an approach. How are you going to attempt the questions and all that? That is taught by test series. So if you blindly go without test series, it's almost impossible to crack it. So these are the 2 points I would say. First, build on the concepts, make your concepts very really strong, and the next is take test series, sincerely take test series. After test series, do analysis of every test series, like note down every mistakes, whatever the silly mistakes you did, the new concepts you learn from the test series. And with this I think anybody can crack gate. So that's my views.
Right. Very nice points. Wonderful. Waleed, thank you for joining and sharing the valuable tips through this video to the
Sure.
aspirants of the GATE examination. I once again congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, Waleed.
Thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. Thanks.